When rebuilding your Porsche Boxster, Cayman, or 911, 996, or 997 engine, it is critical that the engine combination is well thought out. It's easy to increase your Porsche engine's displacement when having it rebuilt, but bigger isn't always better. In addition to Nicky's cylinder sleeves, all Flat 6 Innovations Stage 2 Street and Track Performer engines receive ported cylinder heads that have been rebuilt with new valve seats, guides, and valve springs. Our exclusive performance cylinder heads benefit from years of flow bench development and dyno testing. Engines also receive modified camshaft timing or performance camshafts to further optimize the engine combination. Many other factory components in the engine, like the connecting rods and pistons, are replaced and upgraded, while others are modified, eliminating common modes of failure that can occur when tracking your Porsche. This includes modification of the intermediate shaft, which is pinned, and replacement of the IMS bearing with an IMS solution. Connecting rod and main bearing clearances are adjusted to improve oiling, along with other internal engine modifications. R-Series engines further benefit from an even larger bore sizes that are complemented by performance intake runners, exhaust systems, plenums, and airboxes, which have all been optimized to take advantage of these displacement increases. By selecting Flat 6 Innovations, you are benefiting from over 25 years of experience delivering no-compromise solutions. A rebuilt Porsche engine from Flat 6 Innovations delivers significant increases in horsepower and torque without sacrificing drivability, longevity, or durability.
Call or visit ellenengineering.com to learn more.